Welcome back. Now, ChatGPT is unable to get statistical information from specific websites. And when we are seeking statistical information, we're going to need to work around the fact that their statistics are typically going to be lagging behind the point at which you are going to be producing the artifact requiring numerical or statistical information. If you are willing to abide by the terms of service and to cite the authors, you can use websites such as Statista. And in some cases, some of the statistical information is available for use in your projects without having a paid account. And depending on your topic, you are going to see a considerable amount of information that you may find useful in your sales presentation. A similar site where you can gain this kind of information as well as to be provided a visual chart is going to be the website marketingcharts.com. And again, depending on your topic, you will be able to find updated information that you can use in your sales presentation along with the visual chart to make the point inside of your content. Now, obviously, there are niche-based statistical tools that you can use to work around ChatGPT's inability to go beyond a certain point in time. So you will want to make sure that you have updated statistics with sites like the two that were mentioned, as well as similar sites. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.